Mokshada, grade 6. Today I am going to explain about my topic communication technology. Before going to topic, I should talk about science and technology. What is science and what is technology? Science, the human attempt to understand the natural world with or without concern for practical uses of the knowledge. Technology, the human attempt to change the world by creating products that can help people. Now I would talk about communication technology. Communication technology becomes more developed in this world. Communication technology is the activity of designing and constructing and maintaining communication systems. Everyone is relying to the communication technology nowadays. This essay is going to discuss the current issues and developments surrounding communication technology. It also will be covering different areas such as the advantages and disadvantages, how it affects our personal and professional life, and about legislation of the communication technology. Text messaging and Gmail. Advantages of communication technology. Community technology is a tool like electronic mail and text messaging systems. It is more effective to send the information within and outside of the organization. Communication technology sharing of information within an organization is very first with the use of decentralized computing systems. Face-to-face communication. Communication technology opened up face-to-face communication in the world. We can FaceTime to others through communication technologies such as WeChat, Skype, and Facebook. It brings people together across distance. GPS. Through the communication technology, the global position system was designed. GPS is based partly on similar ground-based radio navigation systems. It is equipped with maps and locations from around the world. It can give the direction with accurate. GPS can save you a considerable amount of time navigating foreign areas, finding a local restaurant, or locating the nearest emergency service of facility. Now some disadvantages of communication technology. Communications technology causes people low of art of conversation. Technology allows us to communicate in careful, edited sentence that lack immediacy and completely remove the information provided by tone of voice and body language. In case people are too really on, technology might find it difficult to engage in normal conversation. It is because they can't be passed, filtered, or edited. Communication technology makes life complex, especially the relationship between people. People are too rely on technology nowadays. This can cause them lack of interact with others. If them without technology, they will feeling emotional and difficult communicate with others people. Conclusion. In my opinion, communication technology helps people many ways. Communication technologies help people easily communicate to others and makes life more convenient. Although communication brings a lot of benefits but have disadvantages too. So people must responsible while using the communication technologies properly. In addition, the communication technologies had a major impact on the world as it taken our replacing a lot of jobs. I believe that communication technology will get better and bigger more each day. Thank you. Namaste.
Very good, Mokshada. We'll ask our sir.
Hi Mokshita, I think it's a very wonderful presentation about communication and technology. Your overall flow of the presentation was really good and it was very informative, and the conclusion about the communication technology and how do we use it and the plus and minus of everything, it's really good. Keep up. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mokshada.
Good evening all. My name is Hilda Sweetland from Kite and I am here to talk about the interesting topic which is robotics. What is robotics? Robotics is the branch of mechanical, electrical and computer science engineering. Robotics are first coined by Sir Isaac Asimov in 1940. The robotic is mainly used in design, manufacturing, and operation. Robots can transport and deliver goods in manufacturing and retail. They can move medicine and equipments through hospitals. The main goals of robots are to build the machines that can assist humans without any error. Asimov formulated 3 laws of robotics. Now let's take a look on it. Robot must never harm human beings. A robot must obey the orders given by the human being. Robot must protect themselves without violating the other rules. Present application. We are moving forward to robots era. There are several types of fields. First, industrial field. Robots are mainly used in industrial field like assembly, packing, and fitting like this, etc. And they are mostly used in educational robots also. It is mainly used for education purpose, and the domestic robots are used in household tasks. Then IFR report. What is meant by IFR? IFR is the International Federation of Robotics. It is states that from 2020 to 2022, almost 2 million new units of industrial robots are expected to be installed around the world. Then, most famous fields for robotics is mainly programming. We want to do many programmings for the robotics. How you can talk about the machine and sensing. There are 3 main loops for robots. One is sensing, think, and act. If a machine can sense, think, act, only then it can be called as a robot. Recent trends in robotics. Collaborative with workers. We all know about the robot Sophia. Sophia is the smartest robot. It is a humanoid robot also. Latest robot is Atlas. It is developed by Bonston Dynamics. It is advanced of humanoid robots. Then application. There are more applications in robotics. Let's see. Exploration. It is mainly used for space mission, exploring volcanoes, underwater exploration. There are many applications are there. In medical field, they are used as assistant for doctors, surgical assistant like this. Advantages. There are more advantages in robotics. Going to faraway planets, giving us information that human can't get. Our future success is directly proportional to our ability to understand, adopt, and integrate new technology into our work. An automatic industry machine replacing the human in hazardous work. For example, automobile sweeper machine at a modern home, auto toy car for child to play with them, etc. Why we are using robots? It is very fast. It can work in dangerous or hazardous environment to perform repetitive tasks and accuracy. There are some disadvantages. It is more affordable. People can lose their job in their industries. Thank you guys for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Hilda Sweetlin. We'll ask our ma'am.
Yeah, Hilda, that was a very good and interesting topic which you have taken. And the way, yeah, Hilda, can you able to hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, okay. So the topic which you have chosen also is very good and it was very interesting also. And I saw there is a flow in your speech, but still I thought that you are reading from a note or something. So as we always say, from the beginning we were saying that please say from your own words, that would be much better. Okay. I hope to see you in the next upcoming competitions. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir?
So, hi Kilda, thank you for your presentation. It's really a nice one. Lots of contents about starting from how the robotics rules and how it is derived and what are the applications in the real world it is being used. So, very good content, and your flow was good. As ma'am said, in some places we felt like you are doing a little bit of reading. That if you can make it up to like explaining on your own words about your understanding of the concept, then that would be great. Keep up. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Hilda Speakland.
Myself, Ahana Venkatesh. I'm studying in grade 3. My school name is Sri Gurukul Tumkur. I'm going to choose the PowerPoint presentation of pencil levitation. I'm going to tell key points: introduction, basic information, material needed, explanation. In the science project, I will discover how to place magnets so they either attract or repel one another, and then use that information to levitation a pencil. Basic information. Magnets have two poles, North Pole and South Pole. When two magnets are placed together, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. An invisible magnet field surrounds a magnet. The north pole of a magnet points closely towards the Earth's north pole, and the south pole points towards the Earth's south pole. This is because the Earth itself has enough magnetic materials into B. Consider one enormous magnet. You can turn an unmagnetized piece of iron into a magnet by simply running a magnetized object over a few times. This process is called magnetization. Material needed: styrofoam sheet or metal board as per our design, pencil, ring magnets, double-sided tape, popsicle stick. Explanation. Magnetic levitation or maglev is a method by which an object is suspended in air with the support of magnetic field. How does a leviting pencil work? It is important to place each magnet in a certain direction to levitate the pencil. The two ring magnets closer to the plastic trapezoid should attract the ring magnet closer to the tip of the pencil. The two ring magnets further from the plastic trapezoid should repel the ring magnet near the eraser end of the pencil. Finally, I am presenting maglev usage from viewpoint of engineering science. You can be categorized and summarized as follows. Transportation engineering: magnetically levitate trains, flying cars, or personal rapid transport. Environmental engineering: small and huge wind turbines at home, office, industry, etc. Aerospace engineering: spacecraft, rocket. Military weapons engineering: rocket gun. Civil engineering including building facilities and air conditioners, systems, magnetic bearing, elevator, lift, fan, compressor, chiller, pump, gas pump, geothermal, heat pumps, etc. Thank you for giving on this opportunity. Namaste.
Thank you, Ahana. We will ask our sir.
Thank you, Agana, for a wonderful presentation on magnetic levitation. I think the way you explained about the experiment about the magnetic levitation was really good. I think you understood the concept, and your explanation of few things were really good. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Hana Venkatesh, compared to the last competition, this time you have improved a lot. The pronunciation, the way you have expressed some words, and the presentation. So you waited for a long time, but still you did not leave in the middle. So you just continued your presentation and your work. And it is a very good job. It is a very good improvement, Hana. Keep going, okay?
Namaste. everybody, welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic called centrifugation. Let's start with the weeds. Centrifugation is the process of separation of particles in the basis of centrifugation are in the liquid medium and placed in the centrifuge tube.
Finally, we reached the end of this event sci-fi. It's really an amazing event. Each and everyone has presented a good presentation which was wonderful, interesting and colorful. So many things you people have explained. You gave so many informations. Thanks for all your participation. Now I request our judge, Mrs. Rohini Vaidya ma'am, to share a few words about this event.
Yeah, thank you, Nandini. I would really like to share some views in my point. Actually, many have participated, so you were struggling, children, you were struggling because of some network issues and some other problems. Your voice were not clear or the slides will be not visible. So like that, you were facing many problems. But still, you haven't give up. Right, you were just keep on asking, I want to come, I want to speak, I want to say, I want to show my presentation. That was a very good thing I saw in you today, especially. And I would like to appreciate all the students who have put this much effort. And more than that, I would like to appreciate your parents for helping you out by doing all these presentation. And you have gone through many research, I hope, to give a good speech and good presentation. So I hope through this stage, you will be able to know more and more. So I would recommend you to participate in more competitions to improve your knowledge also. And I thank Let's Start YouTube channel for making me a judge for this wonderful event. Keep going and I appreciate you. Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now I request our judge, Mr. Chelladurai sir, to share a few words about this event.
A wonderful opportunity to be part of this event. First, I would like to give a big applause for all the students who was participated in this event, because participation is the first step and you all have done that. And also irrespective of like so many technical issues we had in the meeting, and you were all like waited patiently until your turn and presented yourself without any issues. So that's a great thing. And I think you also might have learned a lot of stuffs, because you would be spending like so much time in preparing for this presentation and learning and studying about whatever the topic which you have chosen. That's really great. Thank you. And thanks for Let's Start YouTube channel as well to giving me an opportunity to be a judge for this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request our sponsor and the CEO of Inshaira, Mr. Avinash Vijay Kumar, to give a speech.
Hi everyone. On behalf of Inshaira, I thank all the participants. Each and every presentation was amazing. Really amazed to see you people are interested in this presentation in schooling itself. Especially we can see third grade kids and even UKG kid is participating in this competition. I can able to see your effort and dedication in it. All the best guys, keep rocking. Last but not the least, I thank these two wonderful judges who made this competition so special, who encourage all the participants by their humble feedback. And we were very happy to be a sponsor of this wonderful competition and would like to give you a piece of information that we do in Inshaira. Our company is related to Industry 4.0. We do web development, app development, software and hardware products, digital marketing, AR, VR and mixed reality, graphic designing, teaching advanced technologies for colleges and schools. If you have any idea, feel free to contact us. We will help you to develop that idea into a product. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have 3 qualified judges who gave valuable comments and spent their precious time with us. Let's hope for the best results. And trophies are waiting for the winners. We will be sending it through courier. And a small gift for our lovable judges is also waiting. Once again, a very big thanks for our judges, sponsors, and all the participants for making this event a wonderful one. Thank you.